ilimisile ichunu ukuthi besebenzisane ndawonye emkhankasweni yabo abanayo lena esiyaziyo sonke nje yokulungisa izwe lethu. Kunjalo ke bafowethu, mina iso lami alibhekile kuphela ekumisweni kwechunu, but liphinde lihlehle libuyele emuva ekutheni kwi-March and March kuye kwaba ney'nxushunxushu ezibe khona ebeyithinta abaholi bayo obekuma Mangobese, uJacinta, kube uPhakela, kube uNgizwe, kakhulu-ke kazi zokuyobona upresident, ngoba lezi ey'velayo manje amiselwe zona ezintsha nje, yigaxa ezintsha, but kakhulu kulezi ebeyikhuluma ngokuya kwabo kupresident. Yazi ukuthi kuyona yonke lento mina mangithula nje ngiyibuka iyangitshela ukuthi unembeza wami nje bafowethu awukho muhle ngoMancinza. Awukho nje muhle, yazi ukuthi awukho wayengekho muhle. Nginento ethi kungenzekani ukuthi uMancinza wayisetshenziswa abathize including lona ichunu ukuthi kuqunjwe phansi uPhakela uMthakathi, ngoba uPhakela uMthakathi engahambisananga nezinto ebabeyifuna bona ukuthi zenzeke ezayithinta ukunikeza na imali. Kungenzeka yini ngiyayibuzela nje yabo ukuthi angeke nikwenzeke ukuthi ezinye zezinto eseyivela manje ngechunu uMancinza wayenalo ulwazi. That is why wayicindezela uPhakela ngale yandlela. Kwasho ukuthi ucindezela umuntu angenayo into azoyiveza against yena, kwaze kwamphoqa ukuthi akaye kumphakathini ayokuphimisela athi nginobufakazi ebe engenabo ubufakazi. Kwathi makhamba kuvela isigaba sokuthi kumele abuveze ubufakazi, kwaphoqa ukuthi aphinde athi hayi njalo ubufakazi nginabo kodwa kangabuveza. Yindaba ngisho kanjalo. Kwangidida nje mina ukuthi bafowethu akwazi ukuthi abantu bengaya kupresident bebathathu noma beba-4 noma beba-5 bese wena uvela uzophuma iqhubu nje nomuntu oyedwa uvela uphume nje iqhubu noPhakela nje ushade naye, kodwa kwayena uyakuveza ukuthi inampo Ngizwe abantu okuyibona ababe nopresident kuqala, mina ngibizwe emuva, but ubayeke labo wena. Kungenzeka ukuthi uMancinza okunye kwezinto ezivela ngechunu ezingekho right eyisolwa iMarch and March wayenalo ulwazi and babe yiteam benalo ichunu. Maningi amathuba leyo nto leyo, maningi amathuba leyo nto leyo, ukuthi ngoba nje phela ngeke ngikwazi ukuprove kodwa amathuba maningi. Khona nje into ethe mina angihambe ngibuke ngifike nalapho ukuthi hayi le yanto yokuthi avela shade noPhakela namanje nje mina ayikazi ingangisolisa ukuthi yayenziwa yini ukuthi avela qoka umuntu oyedwa aphume nayo iqhubu. Inkinga nje ke sizoba nayo bafowethu, sizoba nenkinga entsha ngoba uNgizwe usezoba divider kabantu. Ngizwe mina ngintshela, uyabona ke mangabe uNgizwe nimboni ithi inkulumo kaNgizwe sebeyabonga we cannot march forever, of which is kuyiqiniso lokho. Sesikhona sesiku-achievile noma singeke siku-achieve, but ichunu seli-achievile vele lona, ngoba igoli yalo mina ngineshock ukuthi seli-achievile igoli yalo, seli-achievile igoli yalo lona, uyabo. But awukwazi ukuzothi into ongakaze uzuyisungule bese wena uzothi usufika la usubona khona ukuthi ayisasebenzi. Bebe kodwa besakwazi abantu ukuphuma bekhona okukhomba ukuthi abantu basakholelwa kuyo. Mina ngikhuluma ngami la eMatuba kade bencoma omama ikakhulukazi abadayisa ematafuleni ngoLwesine besemashini, and mabesebenza bedayisa ubalalela bayasho ukuthi bayawubona umehluko, futhi bayasho ukuthi iyasebenza lento ukuthi njalo ngoLwezine kube nemarch, ngoba nabathi baveza ikhanda bayabona ukuthi akudlalwa. So awukwazi wena ukuqhamuka wena mangabe usubona ukuthi awusakwazi ukumasha forever ngoba usu-achievile, qhubeka nama-achievements akho, qala okwakho ozokwenza, but musukuza uNgizwe usezoba divide abantu. Why into uzoba divide? Yini esimenza uNgizwe ezosikhumbuza ukuthi yena useyisenior phezu koPhakela, phezu koJacinta, yena wake waboshwa abakaze beboshwa? Asinandaba naleyo nto thina, ayisenzeli lutho leyo nto leyo. Asasikhona sonke ngikhathi eboshwe ukuthi ayikhala, hayi ukuthi asingekho. Asikuphiki ukuthi yena wake waboshwa ngebhadi nangenhlahla ke. Lento yokuthi wake waboshwa akuyonto angabuya azosithomela ngayo leyo ke, yabo. akuyonto angabuya azosichomela ngayo lo nto but nje-ke mina ngiyibona i-division ungizwa azoyi-creator njengamanje ngoba nimuzwa nje kade ethule ungizwa all along ubethule ungizwa all along but sekunede kwavela ukuthi imashini bashiyamvipi usekhumbuza ufana egoli ayobonga khona usefuna ukuyokhanda isizwe sakhe esizoba against uPhakela against uJacinta esakhe esizokholelwa useyokhanda abantu bakhe abazokholelwa kuye abazo-opposa lezinto ezenziwa ilezi inhlangano ezimbili ezisahamba nabantu base-South Africa useyofuna ukukhanda into yena ezoba against lezo zinto lezo ungizwa akukho wrong ukubonga but ukubonga kwakhe uku-announce ngosuku olurongi uphinde uku-announce futhi ukulekela ngezinto thina ezisitshela ukuthi usesempini yena mayeseveza ukuthi uyisenior wara asinandaba nalonto thina but nje into engiyibonayo ungizwe uzodivide abantu njengamanje ungizwe uzoba divide abantu mangabe wena ukubona lokho kusho ukuthi ufuna ukubona ngomunye unyaka kusho ukuthi ufuna ukubona ngoba inkinga bafethu ekhona ungizwe akanayo i-leadership skills ungizwe akanaso iskills sokulead abantu ungahamba uliqedizo ungizwe ugood uvocal uyakhuluma mayekhuluma abantu bayezwa but akakwazi ukuhola ungizwa kayena umholi bafowethu lokho nje ungayiphikela uma ufuna ungizwa kayena umholi sidalo nje obona ngoba lapha asuke khona indawo akade kwazi ukuthi aye khona yedwa kuzo bekufike kuxatshane ake nguKalexele uyakhumbula enkandla kubo enkandla bacishe bamshaya abantu bengekho oPhakela noJacinta bacishe bamshaya abantu ngizwe okukhombula lapha asuke khona akakwazi ukuba umholi eHarding bacishe bamudla bamfela abantu eHarding bengekho oPhakela baze bafika esecishe bamsheba nabhizi eHarding. That means akanayo leadership skills akakwazi ukulida akulona futhi icala ungamna wonke ama skills phela empilweni akakwazi ukulida ungizwe kuyamehlula ukuba yileader ungizwe asimzondi sikhuluma nje ukuyikho ungizwe kuyamhlula ukuba yileader but ugood ungizwe ekudivideni nasekukhulumeni into ezoxabanisa nezoqhatha abantu is very good on that. Very good. Into esiyilindele kuwe Macingwane. Just come forward and prove to us ukuthi ayikho into all implicate kuyo kulezi zinto osolwa ngazo. That is the only thing esiyidinga kuwe as a society. Just come forward. Yenza sibone ukuthi uyasukelwa. Musu ukufuna ukulwa ngokuthi wena usuyisenior, yenza sibone ukuthi wena awukaze lento ekhulunywa ngayo uzuyenze. Ngoba phela abantu laba bacomplaina ngawe bazobuveza ubufakazi ukuthi wena ubusune relationship nabahlukumezi ngoba mhlambe kukhona usufumbathiswe khona. Hayi bafowethu. Mawusu achievile Macingwane igoli yakho siyakubongela. But uku-achieve kwakhe igoli yakho does not mean abantu base-South Africa bonke they've achieved into ade beyifuna. Uwena osu-achievile igoli yakho wena. Uma usubona ukuthi kunesidingo sokuthi step aside. Let the other guys continue. Nento akade abakholela ukuthi isiza abantu. Wena just buyele eceleni mfowethu uyeka abantu beqhubeke laba abakhola ukuthi into abasayenza isawusiza umphakathi and umphakathi usakholelwa kuleyo nto bayeke beqhubeke musu ukuhamba ufuna ukuyomobilize ukuthi kube nabantu asebezobona ngathi sekumbhedo lo ngoba wena ususoleka ekutheni nezinto oyifumbethe ngokuba phambili lezinto
I guess Ngizwe Mchunu was right when he said we cannot march forever, because even Jacinta right now has formed an organization called SA First Forum, which is targeting the ills of South Africans beyond the marching. Yes, marching achieved its objective by removing many illegal immigrants out of South Africa. 70,000 illegal immigrants were repatriated out of South Africa. So at least right now, there are jobs and also even clinics. There are lesser people there, so you can go to the clinic and have lesser waiting times. So marching achieved its objective, but right now, Jacinta Ngobese formed this organization that will help ordinary South Africans get jobs, make sure that the ills of society, even if you are a person that was involved in illegal narcotics, you were taking that, now they're going to take you out of the streets and make sure that you're good. Even women that were involved in, prostitution, they can be taken out of that and make sure that they are taken care of. And even entrepreneurs, especially the spaza shop industry, they'll help with that to make sure that people have skills and also they get funding to open spaza shops.
Today we announce the movement's bold decision to establish a forum for all South Africans and blacks in particular. This forum will provide justice to the voiceless South Africans who for many years justice had remained a distant cousin. We have established a non-profit entity which shall trade under the name of SA First Forum. This organization will be the vanguard of South African citizens.
I tried to search for the website of SA First Forum, but I couldn't find it. There was this other website called safirst.org. I'm not really sure if it's the website, even though that website, even if you open it, there's nothing there. So I wanted to check the website to check the objectives of Jacinta Ngobese and also check, the mission, the vision, the specifications as to what they want to achieve, but I couldn't find anything. But I'm guessing in a couple of days, the website will come out. I bet this thing is already registered. You know about Jacinta, they're very quick when it comes to registering such things. But I'm really glad that obviously you cannot march forever, man, like logically speaking. So right now it's time to put action. Like there needs to be some form of action. Yes, there are many people who are unemployed out there, but at the same time, there are many illegal immigrants that left their jobs. So Jacinta Ngobese needs to reconsolidate and make sure that those ones who need jobs, they actually reach their jobs. Because even me, they are asking me, okay, Jacinta Ngobese got rid of illegal immigrants. Where are the jobs? I can only speculate. I know that many farms, they need employees. ZZ2 Limpopo, there are many people that have been hired recently. So farms are the main one that I know of, but I don't know